99% people get this wrong! Can you answer before the timer ends?
Question 1. Which AI company created the Veo video generation model? A. OpenAI, B. Google, C. Meta, D. Adobe. Answer: B. Google. Interesting fact, Veo can generate high-quality videos with realistic motion from text prompts. 2. Which AI tool is best known for creating professional presentations from a prompt? A. Gamma, B. Excel, C. VLC, D. Notepad. Answer: A. Gamma. Interesting fact, Gamma AI can generate complete presentations in minutes. Question 3. Which AI model is primarily designed for generating computer code? A. Codex, B. Gemini, C. Midjourney, D. Siri. Answer: A. Codex. Interesting fact, Codex can understand natural language and convert it into working code. Question 4. Which AI technology is used to create realistic fake videos of people? A. Deepfake, B. Bluetooth, C. NFC, D. GPS. Answer: A. Deepfake. Interesting fact, deepfake technology can be used for entertainment, but also requires careful ethical use. Question 5. Which AI tool is widely used to upscale and enhance old images? A. Topaz Photo AI, check. B. Paint, C. WordPad, D. Chrome. A. Topaz Photo AI. Interesting fact, AI can increase image resolution while preserving details. Question 6. Which AI model from Google is designed for robotics? A. RT2, check. B. Gemini Nano, C. AlphaGo. Answer: A. RT2. Interesting fact, RT2 helps robots understand instructions and perform physical tasks. Question 7. Which AI technology helps detect spam emails? A. Machine learning, B. HTML, D. USB. Answer: A. Machine learning. Interesting fact, email providers use AI to block billions of spam messages every day. Question 8. Which AI can generate a complete website from a text prompt? A. Lovable, B. Calculator, C. Spotify, D. WhatsApp. Answer: A. Lovable. Interesting fact, Lovable can create full-stack web apps from simple natural language instructions. Question 9. Which AI technique allows a model to improve through trial and error? A. Reinforcement learning, B. OCR, C. VPN, D. FTP. Answer: A. Reinforcement learning. Interesting fact, reinforcement learning helped train AI systems that mastered complex games. Question 10. Which AI company developed Notebook LM? A. Google, B. Apple, C. Amazon, D. IBM. Answer: A. Google. Interesting fact, Notebook LM can answer questions using your own uploaded documents.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for the next AI challenge. Subscribe, bell icon, like.